Okay, here we are on the Four Winds 268. We've got it over here to Scotts Landing Marina, next to all the big boats. Anyway, got it tied off. We just got the rinsing it off real nice. Got the swim platform nice and clean and pretty. Got the air conditioner going, so that's why there's water pumping out the side right there. That's the air conditioner. It's a cooling system for the air conditioner. Nice and clean and pretty and shiny. It doesn't even need wax. It's so shiny. Still a little wet. A little water still on it from us washing it off. Walk around the other side here. There she is. All right, I'm going to go in the cockpit next video.